So let me give you something to try your hands on the binomial expansions. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to give you. Oh shit. You just find the first 5 terms of the expansion x minus 2y is equal to 10. First 5 terms. Are you done?
No, please.
Yes or no? Okay, thank you very much. I've also forwarded this in. So you can call him and see whether he has received it. After payment, we will select the center. So, no, you just tell me through WhatsApp. Okay, sorry for not giving you the hospitality that. No one has finished. Hello? Mommy
Hi.
Jessie, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so give me your first 5 terms.
My first 5 terms are
Hmm?
1.
Okay.
Set is it
The final
the
answer.
okay? Set is x to the power 10
Mm-hmm.
plus 20 x exponent 9
Mm-hmm.
y
Mm-hmm.
plus 180.
180.
Yes, 180 x exponent 8 y
Mm-hmm.
exponent 3
So we are left with 2.
plus
Mm-hmm.
960 x exponent 7
960 x
x
exponent 7.
y exponent 3
Let me continue here. 960 x exponent 7 y exponent 3
plus 3,360 x exponent 6 y exponent 4.
Is that all?
Step is then the dots.
Yes, very important. Plus the dot. This will mean that this cannot represent the full expansion. But because of the questions request, we are using only the first 5 terms. Okay. Who has a different answer? Papa?
Sir, please, I got x
Good. So this is for Papa. X.
exponent 10 minus 20 x exponent 9 y
Good.
plus 180 x exponent 8 y squared minus 960 x exponent 7 y exponent 3 plus 3,360 x exponent 6 y exponent 4 plus dot.
Thank you very much. Any other person with a different version? Priscilla, let's listen to you. Today, I'm happy. Everybody is saying something. That's good. This makes me happy. Know that you are participating in the lesson. So, Priscilla, we are listening to you. Your version.
Please, I got the same thing, but mine was all like minus. There was no plus.
There was no plus.
Yes.
So let me write it under the bottom here with green. X raised to the power 10. So the x2 was minus.
No.
Yeah.
It
Okay,
was,
so
yes.
minus 20x to the power 9 y plus, so say minus 180 x to the power 8 y squared minus 960 x to the power 7 y to the power 3 minus 3,360 x to the power 6 y to the power 4 plus the 3 dots. Okay, so that is Priscilla. We'll look at that, at this question, and see which one is the correct answer. And then we'll find out where the errors came about. But I'll use this question as an opportunity to introduce the lesson for today. And today we are looking at what we call the combination approach. Combination approach. And this one, your calculators should be beside you. Because what we are coming to do, if you don't have calculator, you can't do it. And I always tell you that only time you are coming to class, you have to bring your calculators. Good. Now, the problem is x minus 2y or exponent 10. As I told you earlier on, the Pascal triangle approach is good. But when you have highest powers, like this one, exponent 10, because we cannot memorize all the values on the table, it becomes so tedious to list down the coefficients up to that particular power when you have highest powers. But the combination approach is better because that one, it will take you straight to the line for that particular power. For when you have two items, let's say a plus b or exponent n. If you want to use the combination approach, it is very, very simple. It is n combination 0. That is the first coefficient. The coefficients are obtained using the combination. For today, I'll not tell you what it's about. We will not worry ourselves about what does combination really mean. But there's a full lesson on that, I think in year 2 or so. Here we'll only use the notation and press the thing on the calculator and get the answer. But there's a full lesson on that combination about how, even if you want to do the calculation manually, you can. But here, because we are allowed to use calculators, we only point the values on the calculator and obtain the values. So the coefficients are, the first coefficient will be n combination 0, a raised to the power, the power here, n, then b will start from 0, then plus n combination 1, a raised to the power n minus 1, it will be reducing, while the b will be increasing. The same principle, the only thing is that the combination will give us the coefficient. Plus n combination 2, a raised to the power n minus 2, b raised to the power 2, etc. So plus etc. until you get to n combination n. So this one will be increasing up to the n. So if it is 5, you will do 5 combination 0, 5 combination 2, 5 combination 3, 5 combination 4, 5 combination 5, then you end there. If it's 10, you start from 10 combination 0, 10 combination 2, 1, 10 combination 3, until you get to 10 combination what? 10. That means that's the last one. So here, the A will also have a power of 0 because it is reducing powers. This is the last one. A will have a power of 0, but B will increase up to the n. Good. So let's use this one to get the coefficients. So because it is x minus 10, sorry, 2x, 2y, sorry, all raised to the power 10, by the combination approach, my first coefficient will be 10 combination 0. Then the first term, x, will have the power of a 10. Now the problem, I think most of you had it wrong, was your second term. Remember, the second term is negative 2y, not 2y. Negative 2y and not 2y. Because if you make it 2y, it means it's x plus 2y. But I should understand the term as x plus negative 2y. So your second term is negative 2y. So this one will have a power of 0. The next coefficient, you don't need a Pascal triangle. You just press 10, 10 combination 1. Please let me pick this call, just 2 seconds. Sorry for the interruption. So the next coefficient is 10 combination 1. Then the x power will reduce to 9. The minus 2y will reduce to what? Will increase to 1. Plus 10 combination 2. Then the x will reduce to 8. Then the second term will also increase to what? To 2. How many have we gotten? We have gotten 3. So we need 2 more. Because the question says the first 5 terms. So let me clear this. And then I'll come and continue at the bottom because of the space. So who can tell me the next combination to be what? What will be the next combination? Hello, can you hear me? This one was 10 combination 2. The next one will be what, Papa?
10 combination 3.
10 combination 3. Good. 10 combination 3. Then x raised to the power 7. 7. The minus 2y will increase up to 3. Then, of course, the last one, 10 combination. Who can tell me to be 10 combination what? Yes, Mami Jessie.
So please, 10 combination 4.
10 combination 4. Then x raised to the power
6.
6.
X raised to the power 6.
Uh-huh.
Minus Negative 2y raised to the power 4.
Good. Then, of course, plus our 3 dots. Now, the next thing is to learn how to find the values of these combinations using our calculator. So I am going to exit this screen, or let me even share the entire screen so that you can see it. Can you see my screen at the same time, the calculator?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
So if I want 10 combination 0, I first have to press 10 for the 10. Then I press the shift key. Then I press the division sign. If you look at the division sign, if you have a calculator there, on top of the division sign, you can see NCR. It means N combination R. It tells you that when you want to use a fine combination, this is where you should come. So after you press the 10, you press the shift key. To know whether you have pressed the shift key, you will see some S, small S on top of the screen. That indicates that the shift key is active. Then you come and press the division sign, the combination will come. The arrangement will not look like how when you are writing with your hand, because when you are writing with your hand, the 10 will be small at the top, and then the 3 will also be small. The 0 here will be small down. But here to arrange everything in a straight line because the calculator, but it understands what you are saying. So then you press the 0. So this is 10 combination 0. Press equal to, and that is 1. It means the first coefficient is 1. Is that okay? So let's close the calculator up for now. And then we know that our first coefficient is 1. And 1 times anything is the same thing. So we'll not even bother ourselves and write the 1. We'll write our x raised to the power 10. The minus 2y raised to the power 0 is also 1. So it means the first term will be x raised to the power 10. So let's go back and see first term. Let's mark first term. All of them had it correct. First term, everybody had it correct. So let's go to the second term. Second term. Then the second term is 10 combination 1. So we'll go to our calculator app. Clear the screen. Press 10. Shift, then combination. Then combination 1. So press 1. Then press equal to for the answer. So that means the next coefficient is 10. Good. So we are going to have 10 multiplying x raised to the power 9. And negative 2y raised to the power 1 is the same thing. So still multiply negative 2y. Later we'll come and multiply the two numbers here. We are done with the second term. Then now we are going to the third term, and that is 10 combination 2. Let's let the calculator help us. 10 combination 2, the same process. Or you can come and edit this one. So I just want to edit it and move the 1 and put the 2 there. So this 10 combination 2, press equal to, and that is 45. Okay. So here is 45 for the coefficient. Then x raised to the power 8. Negative 2y raised to the power 2 will give us positive 4y squared. When you square a negative number, it becomes positive. What you guys normally say, nega nega po. Nega nega po. Then we'll move on to the third term. Third term. No, fourth term rather. 10 combination 3. That is the fourth term. So let's find the value of 10 combination 3. 10 shifts. Then we'll pick the combination here at the division sign. Then press 3. We'll press equal to. And that is 120. So the fourth coefficient is 120. So we'll write that. 120. Okay. After writing the 120, let me hide this once more. After writing the 120, then we know x is having a power of 6. When you square a negative number, so we find the cube, you raise the negative number to the third power, it becomes still negative. What it means that if I have -2 raised to the power 3, it is -2 times -2 times -2. So the -2 times -2 will give me +4. Then multiply -2 again to give me -8. So anytime you raise a negative number to a power of 3, the negative does not vanish. It's still negative. So here it's going to give us -8 y raised to the power 3. -8 y raised to the power 3. Good. So this will inform you that when the power is positive, the negative will vanish. And when the power is when the power is even, the negative will vanish. But when the power is odd, the negative is maintained. The negative is maintained. Okay. The negative is maintained. Okay. Let me just accept this. For that, I got a call from my side, Master Academics. Sorry. Okay, so let's proceed. Where have we gotten to? So I was telling you that when you raise a number to an odd power and it's negative, it still becomes negative. When the power is even, it will become positive. Good. So let's go to the third one and find a combination there. That is combination 4. That is combination 4. So combination 4 is 210. So the coefficient here is 210, and x raised to the power 6, and then the negative 2 raised to the power 4 is 16, but to be positive this time because of the power is positive. So 16 y raised to the power 4. Now let's finalize. So here will be x to the power 10 minus 20 x to the power 9y. So the second term should be minus 20. So it means the first answer here is wrong because of the minus sign. I will take this one. I also pick this one. Good. I can feel there's a hand up. Oh, let me see. Okay, there's no hand. Okay, so let's go back to our discussion. If you have a question, you can ask. Okay. So let's go back to our screen. So let's go to the next term. And that one, we are going to multiply 4 by 45. 4 by 45. So we'll use that with our calculator. 4 times 45. And the answer is 180. Positive. So plus 180 x to the power 8 y squared. Let's go and check the answers provided. Yeah, Priscilla. So this answer is correct. Priscilla, you can speak.
Sir, please, can you move to the previous screen?
Here.
Sir, yes. Sir, please, for the 120x exponent 6, I think it's supposed to be exponent 7.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's increasing power. So it's 7 here. No, it's reducing power. So maybe we mess up with one of the. Here, that should be 7. Okay, that's what we are talking about then. Good.
So, yes.
So it's 7 here, but when I was picking it, I mistakenly wrote the 6. Thank you very much for drawing my attention. That means we are following keenly. Good. So the third term here is correct. This one is also correct. But this one is wrong because of the minus sign here. It makes the third term wrong. So let's move on to the next term. Here we are multiplying 120 by negative 8. 120 by negative 8. So it means that it's going to be negative over there. 120 times 8. Negative 8 is 960. So minus 960. Minus 960. X raised to the power 7. Y raised to the power 3. Good. So let's see who had it. Let's go back. So the answer here will be wrong because of the positive. And this one will be accepted. And this one is accepted. Good. Then our last term is 210 times 16. 210 multiplied by 16. And that is 3,360. It is positive. So plus 3,360. X raised to the power 6. Then y raised to the power 4. Good. So let's check who had it. The first person also had the same term, so it's correct. And the second person who had the same term is correct, but because of the minus here, we will not accept. So this should tell you that when you are finding the binomial expansion of an expression where we have a minus inside, like this, you are going to have the minus signs alternating. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, throughout. When this term is minus, the second term will plus, the next term will minus, in that order, it will be alternating. So take note of that. You all did well. I like that. Those who provided these beautiful answers. I like that. So you can see the combination approach is much better than constructing the Pascal triangle. Is that not it?
Yes. Yes,
Good.
sir.
So for the combination approach, no matter the power, you can just get the coefficient straight away without necessarily having to construct the Pascal triangle from 1 up to that particular power. Good. So let's proceed. Let's look at another question. Let me give you a simple question. 1 minus x all raised to the power 8. Expand or less than find, let's use the word find, the first 5 terms of this expansion. The first 5 terms of this. So try this. Use the combination approach. Okay, I think somebody's hand is up. Let me listen to the person, Papa.
Sir, please, I got
Mm-hmm.
1
Mm-hmm.
minus
Mm-hmm.
8x
Mm-hmm.
plus
Mm-hmm.
28x squared
Okay.
minus
Mm-hmm.
56x
Mm-hmm.
cubed plus 70x raised to the power 4
Mm-hmm.
plus dot.
Good. So that's Papa. Any different answer? Okay, because of time, let's do it together. Let's do it together. We are using the combination approach. So what would be the first combination? What combination what? For the coefficient. Elayabua. Priscilla, what combination? The first coefficient. Which combination are we using? What number combination? What number? Priscilla. Nyameye. Nyameye Nketia. Are these people in the classroom? Calvin.
Sir,
Yes.
actually 8 combination 0.
Good. The power is 8. So we'll start from 8 combination 0. Then 1 raised to the power 8, negative x raised to the power 0. Then plus, what will be the next combination? Mami Jesiwa.
Yes, sir.
What
Sir,
is the
please,
next?
Sir, please, 8 combination 1 into brackets 1, then exponent 7 into bracket negative x exponent 1.
Good. The next step. Next term, Julia.
Sir, please. 8 combination. Bracket open.
Combination what?
Combination 2.
Okay.
Bracket open 1 exponent 6.
Okay.
Bracket open negative x plus 2.
Our
Exponent.
2. Okay. So we are left with 2 terms. We got the first 5. So who will give us the next one? Aqua. Maximilian. Aqua Maximilian. Victoria answer.
Sir, please. 8 combination 3
Okay.
into bracket 1 exponent 5 into brackets negative x exponent 3.
Okay. Then the last one. Priscilla, Masud. Priscilla is gone. Nyameye opoku nketia. Rachel Owusu-Mensah. Papa.
Sir, please 8
Mm-hmm.
combination 4
Good.
into bracket 1 exponent 4
Okay. What again?
and negative x exponent 4.
Then plus dot, dot, dot. So let's simplify it to get the final answer and see. 8 combination 0 is 1. 1 raised to the power 8 is still 1. Negative x to the power 0 is 1. So the whole of the first term will just be 1. Then 8 combination 1 is 8. 1 power 7 is 1. So 8 times the 1 is 8. Negative x exponent 1 is negative x. So it will make the whole expression here negative. Then with the help of our calculators, we'll find 8 combination 2. You do that on your calculator. And that is 28. And then the negative 1 exponent 6 is still negative 1. So we'll not be bothered about that. Sorry, 1 exponent 6 is still 1. The negative x exponent 2 will become positive. So it means the whole of this expression becomes positive 28x to the power 2. Then we'll use our calculator to find the value of 8 combination 3. And that will give us 56. Likewise, the 1 will not have any effect here. The negative x exponent 3 is negative. So this expression will become negative 56 x cubed. Then we are left with the last term, and that is combination 4. And 8 combination 4 is 70. And the negative x to the power 4, because the power is even, become positive. So here will become plus 70x to the power 4. And of course, plus our dot, 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 to indicate that this is not the complete expansion. But we are, because we are being asked to present only the first 5, these are the first 5. So this brings us to the end of today's session. Sorry for the background. It has been that the children are on holidays. It's very difficult to control them. So I'll give you your attendant keyword, and then we'll end the class today. We'll meet again. Thank you very much for joining. It has been a wonderful session. And your attendant keyword is monitor. So if you don't have any question for me, you can mark and then you exit. I'll put the attendant keyword on the screen whilst I take your questions. Papa, your hand is up.
Sir, so please, for instance, in exams, where we write the 8 combination 0 and the rest, do you have to write it there?
Do you have to write it there?
Yeah, like showing working, or you can do it on the calculator and just go straight to the point.
Okay, yeah. If you can point on the calculator and know that it's 1, then write it there.
Okay.
But I advise some of that is when you really know what you are doing. Because the combination entirely is just to get the coefficients. So when you press on the calculator and write it there, it doesn't matter. But unless the question specifically state that use the combination approach, then you have to write them to show that it's a combination approach that you use. Other than that, you can just press 8 combination 0, you get 1, you write it there. 8 combination 2, get 28, you put it there. 8 combination 3, etc., etc., etc.
Thank you.
It's accepted. The attendant keyword is monitor. You can monitor. You can mark yourself, and then you can exit.